Right now, we're taking action to keep you safe from imposter health professionals. Just last night, we showed you the shocking case of 2 women arrested for doing dentistry without a license.
Yeah, and the scary thing, we found a lot more fakes out there. People you could be seeing, but officials do little to warn you.
That's why tonight, ABC15 investigator Dave Biscobing is doing it for them.
You're looking at people who are not who they claim to be. An imposter doctor, a fake nurse, and a fraud who patients say illegally performed procedures at a med spa.
Can we speak to you?
All of them uncovered by ABC15.
Dr. Craig, I'm Dave Biscobing with ABC15.
In fact, our investigation put this imposter doctor in prison for 8 years.
We've been investigating unlicensed health professionals for the past 15 months. There's a lot of them out there, and you're about to see the proof.
This list has more than 130 names on it. These names are people reported to Arizona's health boards for practicing without a license, caught by law enforcement, or busted by ABC15. Unlicensed people practicing medicine, dentistry, nursing, psychology, massage therapy, you name it. They're all across the state, and what's even more scary, this is just what we found in about a 5-year period.
Does that surprise you, that number?
Now, that number's high. It is not surprising when you look at human behavior.
Steve Duplessis leads the Arizona Attorney General's Healthcare Fraud Unit, and he says it's not surprising because they're investigating even more imposters right now.
2 Glendale women under arrest.
In fact, his team just arrested these 2 fakes this week for running a dental practice. With all of the unlicensed people out there, you would think that the state's 20 health boards would be openly warning the public. But here's the reality. Just 2 boards make those names available: the acupuncture board and the nursing board.
So what's the main reason why you guys post the names of imposters on your website?
It's for public protection.
Emma Mamalui is the nursing board's lead attorney. Her board lists all imposters going back to 1997.
We take it very seriously.
Can you write your name down?
Just last month, ABC15 went undercover and caught this fake nurse on camera. She was using the stolen identity of a real nurse and injecting patients with God knows what. This fake's real name is Andronique Walls. After our investigation, the nursing board took action, added her to the list.
We are not required by statute to post the imposter names on our website. That's a decision that we have made at this board. We want the public to know about that.
Some boards refuse to give us any names or records, including the Arizona Medical Board. And here's why that puts you at risk.
We're done with this conversation. We're not done.
Before we busted the imposter, Dr. Craig, he'd been reported at least 4 different times to state health boards dating back to 2005. And not once did any of those boards post a public notice to warn and spare the hundreds of his future victims.
Now, we're not messing around on this issue. It's serious, and we think you deserve to know. That's why we're doing what the state boards have not, and giving you the names. You can find the full list up on the front page of our website right now. I'm investigator Dave Biscobing, ABC15, Arizona.
If you're like us, you're probably wondering, how is this even possible? Well, Dave found the system for stopping imposters is broken. That's why we're working on a major project to expose the problems and figure out how to solve them.
Yeah, so if you have any information about an imposter, tell Dave. He's ready to help.